Hello composers, artists, and music enthusiasts. My name's Rich Hall. I'm with a rock act called Follow No One. And I just wanted to check in and talk about the Beyond Music Theory blog. Pedro doesn't know I'm doing this, but if he likes it, I guess you'll see it. So I just want to talk a little bit about the courses and just how they've affected me. Because I guess if you want to call it that, I'm a guinea pig. And I started working with Pedro back in 2017. And I have some classical training myself, but not to the extent that Pedro does. And I've approached songwriting and just music, in the way that I would could come up. And since I've been working with Pedro, I've noticed some things that have happened. And one of those is just my songwriting as a craft, if you will. I think we all write music, and sometimes something just clicks. And that used to happen to me, but it was accidental. And now that I've learned a little bit more of the theory behind it, now it's natural in the writing process. And my personal preference in our genre, I love big harmonies and vocals and those types of things which you hear in our music. And I've learned how to put different harmonies and chords together just by going. There's a lot of detail paid attention to on the site through many of the courses that talks about the relationship between chord structures, melodies, harmonies, and etc. And I just dug into that. And quite honestly, I was a little bit lucky because I was learning a lot of these things as I was going along, because Pedro was pushing me in that direction. That's what we did in the songs that we did together. And I didn't realize I was learning these same things you all are learning now in that process. And what can I say? It's been amazing. And I guess I can't say any better than this can. That's an award we won last year, 2019, for Best Rock Act. And it was for a song called Your Time of Dying got us going big time. And that's really probably the first great attempt that I had at my approach to the songs, using a lot of these techniques that I had learned in bits and pieces, and there's the result. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoy all the courses, and Pedro's amazing at what he does, and just stay tuned for new content and etc., because you'll learn a lot with Pedro, and he will make you a better composer. He'll make you a better artist if that's what you want to do. And music enthusiast, that covers a lot of people. Just dig into it, and you can go from being a music enthusiast to an artist and or a composer. It's up to you. So God bless y'all, and have a good day.